But this is why we're doing all this hard work. We're gonna turn that into food.
So we are up super early. We have to take Betty to the doctor or to the vet. She's getting spayed today. We're tired. We stayed up a little late last night with our neighbors, but it was super fun.
Super worth it.
So up early, we'll come home, drink coffee, and get the day started. So Jason is feeding Stainer and the other animals. Let's go check on that and check on the chicks. Look at these dolls. They're so cute. They're doing great. They were born on Tuesday, so they're almost a whole week old. So, like I said, I was coming to check on the chicks, and these two little guys were out. They were out with the big chicks, or the big chickens. And so I'm gonna put them up, and I counted, and there's only 9, so we're missing one. We can't find it anywhere.
So now, before I even got to drink my coffee, I'm on a hunt for a chick that my wife is okay with.
So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. It's really unfortunate that we didn't find the other chick. It's something that happens, you know, like we say over and over again. It's just a part of the homesteading life. Now we just have to figure out what to do to make sure that doesn't happen again in the future. Also, duck egg. Now I'm going to make Jason some banana bread. Also, a chicken egg. Yay! So this is Stainer's bed, and as you can see, the chickens have been using it to lay. We think it's funny, but we'll be getting them a spot to lay very soon. So because the chickens are laying in here, well, I think that the chickens are laying in Stainer's bed because it's normally closed off to the goats. But once we get the rest of the goats sections out in the barn, we are going to build like a whole section solely for the chickens that only they can get into, and probably the ducks also. I don't know if we'll have them together or kind of separate. I don't know, we'll see. But I can't wait to start on that, and I can't wait to get more chickens. I am obsessed with my chickens. So as you guys know, I'm doing the keto diet. I wanted to share my 1 week progress with you. So 1 week ago from today, my circumference of my waist was just like that. So let's see the difference. So this is 1 week's progress on the keto diet. Even with my big cheat yesterday, I still made progress. Of course, I felt horrible this morning. It wasn't worth it, but it is what it is. Life happens. So it's about just over 2 inches, and I'm really excited, and hopefully we'll keep seeing more progress. Is, I think, the last 2 weeks worth of some stuff that Jason and I have decided to put in the compost pile. It's pretty much paper, coffee grounds, coffee filters, and some banana peels, any like real small scraps like the end of our cucumbers, stuff like that.
Well, you guys now know that we are no longer keeping Bam Bam and he's gonna be our neighbors. I wanna show you how far away he's gonna be. Right there, that's his house. Right there on the other side of the fence. So we're gonna be able to keep an eye on him all the time. We're gonna help feed him, we're gonna help take care of him. We're doing joint custody, if you wanna call it that. And then we'll take these guys over there, and whenever it's really bad storms and stuff, we'll let them come back in our barn. But for now, he is now going to be the Howard's goat. And so we're gonna go fix the fence, check on all that, put a water trough out there, fill it up, and let him go over there for the first time. So let's go check the fence out. So as you could tell, we're not very far away. The last clip, we were just right over there at the barn. So Bam Bam's gonna hang out over here, and let's go check the fence to make sure it's you can't get out. As you can see, this part right here isn't connected, so we're gonna connect this and seal that up, and then there's a spot right over here that we're gonna hook together. So let's try to get this as tight as we can get it. Let's see if I can do it from this way, it might be easier. Old baling wire sure does come in handy. So, as you saw, I had to use my muscles to throw them over because they're just so far away. That transport job was just, it got me. We're gonna leave Grandma in here with them for now, so they have, so I catch my breath. But we all know goats are companion animals, so we're gonna have them together until Tom and them can get a female goat. So I'm gonna go hook up the water, and I guess we'll see how they like it. So we lucked out, and they had a water faucet in here already. So they got plenty of water. This is definitely a bittersweet moment, like I said yesterday. I really hate to say this, but I was kind of looking forward to trying goat and eating it and taking some down to my parents' house when we go and barbecue. But having him here with Tom and Rhonda and getting them started with their farm animals, we're pumped. So we know that we can keep an eye on them. They're here, we're good. Of course, it's just gonna be Bam Bam, but Grandma's gonna keep them company for now. But we are extremely excited about this. As you could tell, there is just plenty to eat. He is not gonna run out of food or space. We don't even think they're even gonna try to get out of here. We're gonna build a better gate and stuff for them. And then we'll keep an eye and make sure the fence keeps them in. But we got a little shelter for them, got water, and got food. What more do you need, people? He is the king over here. Look over there, Bam Bam. This is why we built it, so he can get up there. He can do whatever he needs to do.
So I made my famous banana bread today, and I can't wait for Jason to eat it all. So we just got home from the vet. We picked up Betty. She got spayed today. She has to stay in her kennel for the night, and she can come out in the morning, and she'll eat a little bit tonight, but no water. We're calling it a day. We hope you enjoyed the vlog today. Always remember to follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell. Say bye, BB.